Okay, here's how to launch my titration video game on your PC or Mac computer. Please remember to review the main instructional document already posted on Canvas to succeed in this game. For browser, Chrome and Firefox never had any problem. I noticed recently that both Edge and Safari work as well, although I have not yet tested all aspects of the game in those two browsers. Here I'm using Chrome as the browser. Just type in the browser's address window monishubrang.com / capital TITRATE, and the game will begin to load. Give it about 8 to about 42 seconds to load, depending upon the speed of your computer. On this computer, it's going to take about 35 seconds to load. And when the game loads, just click on this test button here if you want to get to the full screen. But here I'm not going to go to the full screen because I'm just recording portion of my screen for this instructional video. So then when it loads, you can just press the space bar to begin, and you will see that you notice that it will get 3 cameras for you. The first person camera here, the third person camera, and there's a stockroom camera. For those of you who have taken a Chem 200A before the Corona lockdown, you probably recognize your own Santiago Canyon College chemistry lab right here. Initially, I had made this game to be a mouse point and click game for 2 semesters. But most students urged me to change it to a keyboard arrow key game or a WASD game, and no one recommended making it work with a gamepad, although that is also possible with this. You can watch the next video, which explains briefly how to play the game.